Guys, so before I start the tutorial, let me show you where you need to enter your Tinder promo code. So if you just go to Google and type in enter Tinder promo code, you're going to see basically this page where it says using a Tinder profile promo code, and it says you need to basically log in, tap the profile icon, scroll down and tap promo code, and then you enter your code and submit. So anyway, let me get into where you have to go to get your Tinder promo code. It takes just a few minutes and you need a mobile phone. So open up an internet browser and go to this website, guys. So let me just get rid of all this. You need to go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So make sure you spell it exactly like this, topdogcodes.com, and you need to basically go to this website, Top Dog Codes. Hit the search bar, and obviously we're looking for Tinder, so just search Tinder, and there you go, Tinder free gold upgrade coupons. Open that page and scroll down. You can see these coupons are limited, so get on this quick, but you can actually choose between a free 1 month Tinder Gold, one free Tinder Plus, and 1 month free Tinder Platinum. If you don't know the differences, you can Google them, but basically Platinum is the top version, Gold is the most popular, but yeah. So select which one you want. I'm going to go for Platinum, so press show coupon, and this page is going to pop up that confirms your choice. And essentially, guys, we need to unlock the full code, because you can see the code has been sort of protected. This is essentially just to stop robots from stealing all of the codes from Top Dog Codes. Tap unlock code. And you're going to see this screen, which is completely normal. Essentially, guys, we need to just unlock our code, and to do so, follow the instructions you see on this page, and it's pretty easy. It just says you need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks below, and these tasks are listed here, all completely free. And these tasks range from such as this one, enter your email and complete the steps, to download then complete level 8. So these range from answering questions to downloading and playing games. You just have to select any 2 of these tasks that you don't mind completing. As an example, I'm going to click on this Family Island, which is a free game where you need to basically download the game from the App Store and play it until level 8. So I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 tasks. I won't make you watch me do it. These may take me around 10 minutes. But yeah, you can choose any tasks on that page. So let me finish these and I'll return once I've done them. Okay, so I went ahead and I completed those 2 tasks. So I had to play Family Island and just play it until level 8. And then I also chose to do this one at the top here, where I basically had to answer some questions and input my valid email address. You have to make sure you do fully complete 2 tasks here without trying to cut any corners or skip any steps, because it simply won't work if you do that. So once you've completed those, hit your tabs button, and if you followed all of the instructions carefully and fully completed them, you should see this tab down here that says Tinder coupon codes, and yeah, click on that, and it will now give me my free 1 month Tinder Platinum promo code, where I can copy and enter it into the promo code field on the Tinder app, as you saw there. And it's pretty easy. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to get your personal code, and once your 1 month runs out, you can even come back and just follow these steps over again to get a fresh new 1 month code. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go ahead and get your free Tinder Gold Plus or Platinum, and yeah, go to topdogcodes.com to get your personal code. These can only be used once, so once you get your code, keep it safe, make sure you use it yourself, and then when the 1 month runs out, come back and do it again, and you can get your personal code. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.